Let's take a walk. Look at the view. Don't you love the view? Yeah. It's not that sunny, which makes it amazing. You know, I have water, but I think that water is gonna be useless. But I don't know where this trail is taking me, because I haven't taken this specific one before. But it looks amazing. I'm thinking that's a private area. But let's see how long this is. Hopefully we don't get lost. Otherwise that's gonna be an issue. You know, but yeah, taking a walk. Started like 5 minutes ago. I had to find this specific where it starts. But we had a good parking, so I'm not worried about the car. Love it. Look how different kind of grass and trees and wood. I mean, look at this. Logs. Just the view alone is just amazing. Maybe this side. Still going. It's longer than we thought. Are we gonna finish this? I don't think you can see it, but so many different kind of birds. Yeah. Not sure if you guys can see the birds. This area got a lot of birds, a lot of different birds. Not sure if you can hear, because it's very dense forest. And probably that's why you cannot hear a lot of motors and vehicles and car noises. It's just so peaceful. So quiet, peaceful. The only voice you hear is the birds. Isn't that nice? Let's see how long it is. I think it's starting to rain. Oh no. We have a problem. It's gonna rain. So now our route is gonna split. We don't know which area to go. Gonna check the map and we'll decide which one to take. But first I want to see what is that breach doing there. You can see if you take this one, it takes you all the way there. Not sure what's there, can't see anything. But we have a nice breach here. And this looks like a private area. I know I keep saying it's a private area, but I don't know if you can see, but there's a building there, a house that's being built. So I'm guessing that's a private area. And it doesn't really tell me where this one takes me. So I'm thinking I'm getting out of the park. Now let's see this. Ooh. This one is nice. And the water flow to that side. That's nice. So we are going back. And see how lucky I am? There might be a storm. I can hear the siren. So, let's see how our days go. Probably these phones will be destroyed. But, hear that? That's a siren. That means there could be a storm coming my way. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Let's go. Somebody said it's about 1.5 miles that way. That's where the park is. And they said it's a nice one. So why not risk it and go despite the rain? Let's go. Look at this. Man, that will not last more than 3 months. Everything you see will be different. Think about that. Everything you see is going to be different, and nobody is going to be able to walk here for 3-4 months. See how beautiful it is? Very soon you won't be able to come here. Until that snow dries and the weather gets better and whatever damages is fixed, you won't get this chance. But since we're in July, we still have probably 2 or 3 good months, and everything is gonna change. So let's continue. That's why I love it, because you don't see it all the time. And when you see it, you kind of like work. You have no time to go out and see the green. You're always in a shift, you're always working, especially if you're doing deliveries. If you don't go get that delivery, you got no money coming in. You may be sent 2 or 3 hours away. You know? So let's go. I got so many bugs and the rain just started. I'm gonna tell you, these bugs want me get in my nose. But anyways, look at that water. Looks amazing. Obviously we can't get close because it's raining. It's raining, so hopefully we find a shelter, or we are in for a good ride. We're not stopping. Let's go. And let's see what is in here. Oops. Yeah. And look at this. Water and stuff. What is that sound? No idea what it is. Could be a bird. But what has been sitting here? I don't know if it's just the rain or the lake. The lake of flow comes here. Because I'm like, why did people go through here if there's like little water here right away? Yeah. That's a little steep, but it's not too far. Let's see what that noise is. Why is it quiet now? Oh no, it's right here. Oh no, I guess it started running. Too bad I can't see it. Oops, there's another way to go down. Let's see if we can go down here as well. Nothing, hopefully nothing bites me. Nothing bites me. Let's see. Same, whatever that noise was. You guys see anything? What if we just found a snake? That would be something. Not that I want to, but it's definitely possible. Look at the sky. I still hear the noise down there. Do you guys see anything? That is creepy. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here before we become a food for some sort of animal. I think this 10-minute video is about to wrap up. But yeah, I'm gonna save and see if I can start another video. Why not create 3 videos?